Shall we begin?
Hey guys, another recorded video for you. As you can see, I've already done my brows, so I am going to go ahead and finish this face of makeup. I hope you stay tuned and I hope you enjoy it.
All right, let's get started. I'm gonna start with Glorious Touch Primer. I actually put this on before the video. And then we move right into the spray foundation. This is an airbrush, full coverage, lightweight spray. I sprayed it right on our kabuki brush, and then I start applying it all over my face. It dries quickly, so you do wanna move a little quickly when you're applying it, but this stuff is so good. It is full coverage, but it is the lightest foundation I have ever used. I mean, seriously, check out this coverage. So good. Okay, next up, Skin Perfecting Concealer. This we're gonna put underneath our eyes, cover up those dark circles. You're gonna see I'm gonna put this in a triangular shape just to help brighten up underneath the eyes. I do like to use my fingers to warm up the product, and that's why you see me applying it with my fingers. It just seems to blend better that way. And then once I've applied it and blended it in a little bit, I'll go in with a beauty blender. It's somewhere, there it is. And then I'll blend that out with the beauty blender.
Repeat, this is not a drill.
Once that's blended, I love to use our stick foundation to highlight the rest of my face. So you're gonna see me go all the places you would highlight. This is just such a nice creamy formulation that it blends so well into my makeup formula. I crack myself up. Anyways, I'm blending this out with the blending bud. I did dampen that blending bud with a little bit of setting spray just to help blend that out really nice. But that stick is great. Perfect for highlighting. You could wear it all over your face if you wanted to, but I'm using it here to highlight. Okay, next I'm gonna take a little bit of a lighter pressed powder and place that under my eyes just to set that concealer. I'm using the shade Velour. And then we're gonna go all over our entire face with a little bit of a darker shade. Okay, so there's that darker shade I was telling you about. I'm gonna put that all over my face just to help set my makeup. It gives such a nice matte finish. I love our pressed powder. It's the best powder ever. I'm just gonna use that to set my whole face and give me a little extra coverage as well. All right, on to bronzer. I'm using the shade Hermosa, which is a really nice warm shade. I'm gonna carve out the hollows of my cheeks, and then I go along my forehead and my hairline. This helps to give that really nice sun-kissed glow.
Let's begin now.
It adds such pretty warmth to the skin. So pretty. All right, next up is blush. This is our new shade Seductive. I hadn't used this one yet, and I really, really like the color. It's like a nice warm mauve. So I'm placing that on my cheeks using our blusher brush. And then we're gonna go in with a little eyeshadow in the shade Gentle. I'm gonna use that to highlight. I'm using our fan brush to do that. A little on the nose, a little on the Cupid's bow. Pretty. Then we're going in with this eyeshadow called Visionary. I'm gonna put that all over my lid. I'm using my fingers. Don't be afraid to keep it simple, ladies.
This is not a drill.
This one has such a nice metallic glow to it.
This is not a drill.
Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the color Jealous, which is more of a satin finish, with our fluffy crease brush, and I am just going to blend out that crease and add a little bit of depth with that color. Such an easy eye look, anybody can do it. Okay, last color, Joyful. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the inner corner. This gives such a nice glow and a pop to your eyes. Another metallic shade, super gorgeous.
What up?
Okay, now for the best product on the planet, our 4D mascara. This is fiber infused mascara. It is like putting little eyelash extensions on your lashes. It's so good. You want to make sure you wiggle that wand and twirl it as you go up, just to make sure you're getting all of the product onto your lashes.
Oh, shall.
And there we are.
Shall we begin?
Onto our lips. Okay, so I always start with the Lip Bonbon. This just gives a little bit of moisture to my lips. And then I'm going to outline with the color Plush Lip Liner. This is a really pretty faded mauve. And I do overline my lips just slightly, just to give a fuller lip. And then I'm going to fill them all in with that color. These are really soft. It's almost like a lip crayon.
Let's begin, girl.
I love that color. And then to keep it really simple, we're just gonna pop on a little bit of gloss in the shade Lippy. And that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this makeup look. Thanks for watching.